Hi, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I'm going to be showing you how to make my gut healing beetroot dip. Hope you enjoy. So these are the ingredients for the dip. I've got 2 lemons which I'm going to juice, and I've got 6 small cooked beetroots. I've already cooked these. Then we've got some garlic. Use 1 teaspoon. Some cumin, about 1/2 teaspoon. Some paprika, just a few shakes. Himalayan salt, olive oil, nutritional yeast flakes, and Perfect Hydrolyzed Collagen powder. That's the gut healing element of this dip. And we're also adding some cashews to the dip as well. About 1 cup should be enough. Okay, so I've added the beetroots to my food processor. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of raw cashews, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. You could also use fresh garlic. About 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. And then just a good shake of paprika. This one is just regular paprika, not smoked. Just give it a good shake. So we've got 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then I'm going to pop in my nutritional yeast flakes. I'm not going to measure it, but I guess if I had to measure it, it'd probably be about 3 heaped tablespoons. Or more. So nutritional yeast flakes just gives it a really nice cheesy flavour. So last but not least, we're adding 2 scoops of the Perfect grass-fed hydrolyzed collagen powder. And that's the gut healing element. I do apologise also for the noise in the background. That's my dogs fighting with each other.